Yes, good morning students. Today we will see how to make revaluation account, partners capital account and the balance sheet of new constituted firm. So see a question, there are two partners, Chandar and Mohini, and their old ratio is 3:2 as it is given in the question, and balance sheet for as on 31st March 2018 it is given Chandar's capital, Mohini's capital, workman compensation reserve, creditors, land building, plant machinery value, stock, debtors minus provision, bank, the total of the balance sheet, that is rupees 20 lakh. Also some informations are given here. Shikha is a new partner, bring goodwill as rupees 30,000, part of his share of goodwill. Now plant machinery be found undervalued by 20%. Creditors are unrecorded found, that is rupees 20,000. Claim for workman compensation, that is rupees 30,000. We have to prepare revaluation account and partners capital account first. So see how to make first revaluation account. This is revaluation account. Yes, in this value of plant and machinery found undervalued 20%. Plant machinery, that is recorded in the books, in the balance sheet, that shows 6 lakh. 20% of 6 lakh, that is rupees 1,50,000. किस तरह से आएगा, how this be calculated? See here. First of all, make the actual value of the plant and machinery. This be calculated working note. Plant machinery 20% less undervalued था वो, तो हम not we have to calculate 20% of this one of this 6 lakh. You have to calculate this by actual value of plant machinery equals to 6 lakh into 100 by 80. Then we get the real amount, that is 7,50,000, and shown in the books rupees 6 lakh. So 1,50,000 now increased. So increase in the assets come in this credit side by plant and machinery 1,50,000 rupees. In this way, now see next to creditors. About the creditors, it is given creditors unrecorded 20,000. Yes students, if there is a unrecorded assets come in the credit side and unrecorded liability comes in the debit side. So to creditors account rupees 20,000. Now come to about the debtors. Debtors are here 6 lakh, 20 provision is 20,000, 5 lakh, 80,000 are given in the balance sheet. So see provision, सी एंट्री फॉर दिस. बैड डेट्स इसमें है तो बैड डेट्स को हमने एडजस्ट किया. आफ्टर एडजस्टिंग द बैड डेट्स देन विल गेट वैल्यू टू सन्ड्री डेटर्स ₹10,000. Now see the profit comes 150. Subtracting these two values 20,000 and 10,000, we get 1,20,000 here. This 120,000 is now profit which is comes from the revaluation account, and this be transferred to partners capital account. To profit transferred to partners Chandar and Mohini, their capital account. This 1,20,000 is divided among the Chandra and Mohini in 3:2. So 120 divided in this two ratio, then we get 72,000 for Chandra and 48,000 to Mohini. In this way, revaluation account is now completed, and see how to make partners capital account. This is Chandra, Mohini, and new partner Shikha. Yes, first of all, take the balances of the old partners from the balance sheet. Put here balance 11,40,000 by balance brought down 11,40,000 in Chandra, and in Mohini that is rupees 7 lakh. Come to next entry, that is the profit comes from revaluation account. By revaluation account 72 and 48, 72,000, 48,000. Now next entry, this is premium for goodwill. Yes, premium for goodwill. Goodwill is brought by Shikha, new partner, for rupees 30,000. This goodwill will be divided to the old partners in their gain sacrifice ratio. So by a premium for goodwill, students, ये आपको बता चुके कि how to calculate gain sacrifice ratio and how to divide this premium for goodwill among the partners in the old videos. So see now this how to make this division of 30,000. Premium for goodwill rupees 30,000 divided to the old partners in gain sacrifice ratio, that is 18,000 and 12,000. 18,000 and 12,000. So after it, now see workman compensation reserve. Reserve is rupees 60,000. There is also a claim of 30,000 rupees. After distributing or subtracting this 30,000 from this 60,000, इस रिजर्व में से हम इस क्लेम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके रिमेनिंग अमाउंट दैट इज अगेन कम्स रुपीज 30,000. सो दिस 30,000 will be divided to the old partners in their ratio. So again amount that comes by workman compensation entry. First of all, see the entry for this. Yes, entry is workman compensation reserve 60,000. Subtract this, we get to workman compensation claim account, then to A, then to B. In this way, this amount we divided. Workman compensation reserve account debit to workman compensation provision for workman compensation claim account, and the balance amount we divided to the partners A and B. So by workman compensation reserve amount comes 12,000, 8,000. Also put by bank capital of C, which he bring as his capital, rupees 6 lakh. Now after making the total of these, we get the values 12,42,000. 12,42,000 in Chandar. Shikha's total, that's 7,68,000. 7,68,000. About the third new partners, that is 6 lakh. Now to make balance carried down, this is coming new balance which is carried out by the partners capital account, 12,42,000. About the next partner, 7,68,000, and for the new third partner, that rupees 6 lakh. In this way, now this partners capital account is now completed, and see how to make balance sheet of this new constituted firm. Yes, balance sheet of new firm. Land and building, $560. Plant machinery, $750. Stock, 1,60,000. Debtors, 570. And the bank account, rupees 7,50,000. 730, sorry, 730. Come to the liability side. In liability side, it is workman compensation reserve, सॉरी वर्कमैन कमीशन क्लेम, जो 40,000 का क्लेम था वो क्लेम 40,000 का आ गया, 20,000 पार्टनर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गए थे, 60,000 का पूरा रिजर्व था, एंड 20,000 इज डिवाइडेड टू द पार्टनर्स, ऑल पार्टनर्स, एंड क्लेम इज रुपीज 40,000 नाउ कम्स हियर एज अ लाइबिलिटी. क्रेडिटर्स रुपीज 1,20,000. Capital accounts of the partners comes Chandar, Mohini, and new partner Shikha. Chandar's new capital 12,42,000. 12,42,000. Mohini's new capital, balance of the new capital, that is 768,000, and Shikha's capital is rupees 6 lakh. In this way, put this value 26 lakh 10,000 as the total capital of the firm in the balance sheet. Now make the total of the both the sides, which is 27 lakh 70,000. Now this is balance sheet of new constituted firm. In this way, this question be now completed and chapter is also completed. So have a nice day.